Egypt scored a goal. VAR took it away. The Egyptian FA called it an injustice. Even the referee expert on Fox Sports called it wrong. Here is exactly what happened step by step so you understand the biggest controversy of 2026 World Cup. Minute 58, Egypt was already leading 1-0. Egyptian midfielder Marwana Atia goes in for a challenge against Argentina's Martinez at the halfway line. This referee sees it and does nothing. Let's play continue. Egypt win possession from that challenge and launch a counter attack across the full length of the pitch. Mohamed Salah realizes Mustafa Zico with a perfect pass. Zico runs through, chips the ball beautifully over the keeper. Martinez 2-0 Egypt. The whole stadium erupts. Egypt are minutes away from the biggest upset of the tournament. And then VAR steps in 20 seconds after the challenge, the full length of the football pitch away from the goal. VAR reviewed the Atia challenge on Martinez or ruled it a foul, disallowing Zico's goal completely. Bro, the referee had already seen that challenge in the real time and decided it was not a foul. He let play continue. VAR overruled him anyway. Fox Sports analytic Rob Green called it immediately and I quote, he said it was surely not within VAR's remit to review this. Former Premier League referee Mark Chattenberg agreed, saying its challenge was not a clear foul and not consistent with how referees have been officiating this tournament. Egypt coach Hossam Hassan was furious on the touchline, shows a yellow card for arguing. Salah tried to calm his teammates down, and after the match the Egyptian Football Association released an official statement saying that cannot remain silent regarding the refereeing decisions, using the words injustice and rigged to describe what happened. Now, was it technically legal? According to FIFA's VAR protocol, yes. If an attacking player commits a foul during the same continuous phase of possession leading to a goal, it can be disallowed. But the problem, the challenge happened 20 seconds earlier, the full length of the pitch away, and the referee had already decided it was not a foul. Egypt lost 2-0 down. Argentina came back 3-2, and we'll never know if that goal had stood whether the greatest comeback of the World Cup would ever have happened.